Hello dear students, today we are going to start our chapter 16 Water. How much water is available? About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Almost all the water on the earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps as groundwater and in the atmosphere. Most of this water is not fit for human consumption. The water that is fit for use is fresh water. So this is telling you that how much percentage of water is present in our earth surface, that is 71%. And the forms of water means in which form water is available. Water is available in the form of water vapors, liquid, solid and gas. Forms of water. Water on the earth has been maintained for millions of years by various processes which make the water cycle. When water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms: solid, liquid, and gas at any given time somewhere on the earth. The solid form, snow and ice, is present as ice caps at the poles of the earth, snow covered mountains, and glaciers. So, this is telling that water is present in many forms in our earth crust, or we can say in our atmosphere. This water is being maintained from millions of years ago through the process water cycle, and it includes many processes like transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, in which water exists in all its three forms: solid, liquid and gas. The solid form is the ice present as at ice caps or poles of the earth, snow covered mountains and glaciers. Liquid water is present in oceans, lakes, river and even underground. And liquid water is present in oceans, lakes, river and underground. The gaseous form is the water vapor present in the air around us. Or we can say the gaseous form is present in the form of water vapors that is present in our atmosphere. The continuous cycling of water among its three forms keep the total amount of water on the earth constant, even the whole world is using it. And these all forms exist in the water cycle, and this water cycle maintains the water balance in our environment. This is a picture of water cycle. You can see it. Now groundwater. The ground has a large storage of water inside it. If we dig deeper and deeper below the earth, we will reach a level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water. Water also exists beneath the soil, or we can say beneath the earth, that is known as groundwater. The upper limit of layer is called the water table. The water table varies from place to place, and it may even change at a given place. And the upper layer of the water that is existing below the soil is known as the water table. The water found below the water table is called groundwater, and the water present below the water table is called groundwater. The rainwater and water from other sources such as rivers and ponds seeps through the soil and fills the empty space and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The groundwater is stored between layers of hard rocks below the water table is called aquifer. And how this groundwater is maintained? By seeping of the water by the soil. This is the picture of groundwater. Depletion of water table. Water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. It is due to increasing population, industries, decrease of seepage area for shipping of rainwater, agriculture activities, deforestation and scanty rainfall. Depletion of water table can take place with these processes like increasing population, as they are using much and much water, so the water will be used, but if it will not be get recharged, then it will be depleted. Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. This decreases the open areas like parks and playground. This in turn decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. A huge amount of water is needed for construction work, and all the water is drawn from ground. How increasing population is responsible for depletion of water table? As increasing population demands for construction of house, so construction of house takes place with the use of water. Increasing industries. Water is used by all industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production processes. The number of industries is increasing day by day. Water used by most industries is drawn from ground. So, increasing industries also is an example of depletion of water table. As increasing industries means construction of industry also require a lot of water. So that's why water is being used by them. Agriculture activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation systems like canal are there only in a few places. These systems may suffer from lack of water due to plenty of rainfall, so farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day. This results in depletion of water table. Agriculture activities also is the reason behind depletion of water table. Distribution of water. Some places have good amount of rain and at some places there are deserts which have scanty rainfall. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not the same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rain while some other have very little rainfall. Excessive rain cause floods whereas the absence of rains result in droughts. So water is not evenly distributed on our earth. Somewhere it's scanty and somewhere it is very much. Water management. Most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Many places in India, an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Wavaris. Wavaris was the traditional way of collecting water. The Wavaris are also used today. There was a time when people forgot the importance of Wavaris. Drip irrigation is a water saving irrigation system. In this system, water falls on the roots of the plants drop by the help of pipes. We can also play an important role in saving of water. We should turn off taps while bathing and brushing. We should mop the floor instead of washing. We should use a bucket instead of bathtub or shower for bathing. So in this way we can save water as water is very much necessary for the survival of life. So we should not waste water. We should save each and every drop of water. So these were the points through which we can save water. Water is a very important and precious resource. Save water, save life. Thank you for watching my little creation.